Andarki Namaste, I'm Havish and you're watching Scape Around Wheels channel, and this video is all about Himadri Aquatics. They are one of the leading producers of aquarium plants in India, and not just aquarium plants, they even produce for aquascapes and interior ponds, exterior ponds and many other imported plants also. And I've got many from my local fish stores, but no, they are not up to this quality and few of them might melt because of the health conditions of the plant and also the stem. Also the prices are based on stem costs and also pot costs, which is very cheap. Many a times I've spent around 200 bucks for a single pot which will be having around 3 to 5 stems, whereas on the website you can get stems just for 3 stems per 8 rupees or 15 rupees, and very easy prices. These are all pocket friendly prices and it's useful for the one who wants to get some peace inside your house and also grow with aquascaping, like how the world is growing. Get some part of the river into your house and just replicate it. I just stopped this thing, not the video, my introduction. I'll go through the website and show you how you can order products online. I'll be planting these in my 32 gallon Rogue Box aquarium. In case you don't know Rogue Box, that's my first ever completely set up medium tech, not low tech, neither high tech, and that's a good aquascape. I'm loving it. It's maturing and it's been around 4 to 5 months, I guess. It's pretty balanced right now, and this will be going in that. I don't know if this is left or right as per the video. You can check the iCard of Rogue Box setup video. You can learn how to set up 2.5 feet or 2 feet. Everything depends on your choice. That's all. Let's start. This one's Rotala High Red. I'm expecting a great red color bush from these because the Hra and the green ones I have are doing pretty well in my tank. But I don't know if the reds will be popping out from this or it will stay just orange. Even that's fine. I need a bit of shade in my tank other than the green color that I have completely in it. And the condition is great. I can see only one stem that has been displaced from the pot, but the health of the stem is okay. I can just plant the stem in the soil and the roots will be growing very soon. Okay, this one's good, no complaints. And the next one is my favorite, Ludwigia palustris. These are known for their easy level of planting and also the red colors they pop out. and these are very fresh. You can see the green coloration, but soon they might melt or they'll just stay and the new leaves will be red color. And the health is excellent, I should say. There are no complaints except few leaves have left the stem. That's quite understandable because of the rigorous movements in the packaging. Main reason I've opted Himadri Aquatics is they have good quality of Sagittarius subulata, and these are of good quality, no melting, just here and there 2 to 3 brown leaves, and the root system is good. These are still wet and the temperature is normal. That's what is needed during these travel times. I've ordered 15 and it looks like 15. The one at my local fish store has a pot for 200 rupees. These have costed me around 75 rupees, I guess. Around 15 stems overall. The roots are good. These rosettes are excellent. The quality is good. These will be going into my aquarium right away. I'll just give them a quick wash. And these are some bonus plants. I don't know if these are Kabomba or Limnophila sessiliflora, but I already have Limnophila in my tank and they have made a great bush to the right side rear end. So okay, I won't waste them. I'll be using them in my nano tank, and you can just check that video here in the iCard. You can try their aquatic plants and you can make interior ponds and they won't cost more. You can ping me on Instagram. I can teach you many things. And this is what my order is. The total of the order is just 250, while I usually pay 200 rupees just for the single pot at my local fish store. So that's how the difference is. You can go and check the website right away.